Hey guys, Militia of One here. Sorry for the lack of content and just bad camera angle and everything that's happening right now. I wasn't planning on making this video because I bought this optic from Optics Planet like, what month is it? The coronavirus has had me all confused, like 4 months ago or something. This was delayed for like 3 months till they finally were able to ship it out. I think the people, Vector Optics, just like had to ship it out to them, and then it had to be shipped to me, and everything was delayed because of their factory or their warehouses were closed down. But this is like $130 Prism scope that I got for a Caltech RDB. I think I might do a review of this sometime in the future, but also I wanted to announce that I'm going to try to go onto another platform other than YouTube because YouTube just took down one of my oldest videos for seemingly no reason. It said it violated their guidelines, and it was just me shooting a shotgun at a pumpkin, which isn't a very, like, it's not graphic, it's not like, I'm not even using a, what they would claim to be an assault weapon. I'm using a 20 gauge pump action, and a break action 410. So I don't trust YouTube. I don't like helping them profit in any way, so I'll leave a link in the description if I find another platform that works. But in other news, here is this. I think they're going off of Apple's style packaging because it's just friction fit. Very satisfying there. There's the scope. And I always wanted a type of prism scope because I don't like that red dot sights you can't use without batteries, and normal scopes are too big for really what I'm going for with a bullpup design. Magnification here is just stuck at 3 times. I'm also going to try to mount some 45-degree iron sights on it. We'll see how that goes with the small Picatinny rail that is on a Caltech RDB. I'll let you know how that goes. Here are all the specs one might need when purchasing this. It does have illumination, and I believe it comes with a battery. Anyways, let's get to the actual unboxing. Slowly and surely. There we go. Cut some nice foam, I guess. A cleany cloth, or a microfiber thing. Instructions. Here's the reticle it uses, by the way. I think that should work for what I'm going for. Got the, I guess, lens covers? Lens cap? I don't know too much about scopes, so forgive me if I'm messing up the terminology. Yeah. Oh, and there it is. Oof. How am I going to get this out of here? Is there anything stuck? There's something stuck in here. Oh, I needed that greatly when mounting the red dot sight onto my RDB. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Reminds me a lot of an ACOG sight. Obviously, I've never used one because those things are, what, thousands of dollars. This is the poor man's ACOG. Also, I was looking for something that was lighter than all the budget ACOG or Prism scopes. And while this does feel, it's actually, it doesn't feel that bad. And I can indeed see the little reticle inside there. Heaven knows if you'll be able to see it or not. Oh, there it is. You can see it in there, which is very useful. Turn on some illumination. Oh boy, let's put that down to 8, maybe 6. Put that on 6 for now. And there it is, inside there. That's really cool. Cool. Gonna have to look up what all these other bits do. I guess this is for elevation and windage, or windage and elevation. I believe this Yes, that moves for your eye relief. These just twist. Why did they give me that tool over here? Oh, for down here. I don't think I'll really need to mess with that. It looks as if you could take the actual scope off of this. People who are more familiar with optics will know what that's all about. There's more. Oh yeah, how do I mount these? Do these just friction fit on? So those just friction fit on, and then I guess you can... Jesus. Violent spring in there for when you need to quickly uncover your lenses. That should work for a while. Nice. Well, I'm happy with the function. Oh, wait. Maybe they won't work for a while. A spring has... Well, that's odd. They both spring open. Where did this spring come from? How long has that been sitting there? It looks just like the springs that were on the inside of this, so I'm just gonna hope they accidentally put that in the box and nothing's already broken. Very odd. Well, other than that mystery, this seems very nice. It doesn't feel too heavy. How heavy did they say this was? 15.4 ounces, 435 grams. I wanted a scope that was under a pound, and that this also fit that category. If you're thinking about getting one of these, it is almost exactly 6 inches in length. Sorry I'm not as skilled in this as I would hope, but looking forward to reviewing this. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I wasn't originally intending on doing it, but when I saw the quality of the box, I'm like, I gotta do this. So hopefully I'll see you on some other platform. I am on Parler now as FL Militia 1, if you want to see me rant about politics on Parler. Still on Twitter as the same username. Just throwing those out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys probably somewhere else. Bye.